No-cost solar installation, Summerlin, Nevada, 702-745-9198. Thank you for clicking this video about no-cost solar installation Summerlin, Nevada in Las Vegas. Call our team today if you want solar panel installation for your home or business. Our phone number is 702-745-9198. We are available to assist you with installations and repair services of solar panels. In addition, today we are going to learn about no-charge solar panels. Are they actually cost-free? In most cases, cost-free solar panels or no-charge solar panel installation are really not totally free. They belong to a third-party ownership plan. That is, a solar company will own the panels, and you will rent them from the company. While these offers might seem great, they do have their disadvantage. The downside is that you'll need to pay a regular monthly payment to rent the panels. There are also escalator clauses that can increase the rate without warning. Fortunately is that many reputable solar panel companies provide financing alternatives to help you steer clear of spending for the preliminary installation and design. Several companies, such as the one we highly recommend in the description, have zero-down financing choices. However, you'll may need to do a lot of research study prior to deciding on which alternative is best for your house. You can get information about the regional benefits provided by your utility, in addition to the programs offered at your state or local level. Also, talk to your regional BBB. Solar panel leases, how to go solar with less upfront expense. Solar leases enable individuals to go solar with less upfront cost. These are long-lasting agreements that are generally a few years in length. Generally, the payment will be the same as the month-to-month electrical energy costs. Nevertheless, there are times when the solar lease will be more expensive than purchasing the solar panels outright. The upfront expenses of going solar panels can be low, especially if you receive a federal solar tax credit. You can likewise minimize interest by using a loan, but you will need to make monthly payments. No matter your funding alternative, you will have to monitor the performance of your solar panels. There are two types of solar financing options: leasing and a power purchase agreement. A solar lease is an agreement where you commit to making regular month-to-month payments. It is generally for at least 15 years. In addition to a fixed payment, you will likewise pay for the installation, efficiency monitoring, and maintenance of your solar panels. When buying a solar energy system, you will need to decide if you want to acquire the system outright or sign a solar lease. Leasing is an excellent choice for individuals who do not have a great deal of money to invest or who are not sure that their house will be their forever home. Lots of companies have clauses that enable you to purchase your system outright at the end of the solar lease. Nevertheless, this is a hard and slow-moving process. Depending on your credit report, you might not have the ability to buy out your solar lease early. Searching for cost-free solar panels? Attempt financing your system with a solar loan instead. If you're wanting to purchase a solar panel system, it's an excellent plan to look into solar loans. These loans are provided by solar companies. This way, you can discover a loan that satisfies your needs and can save you money. The best loan is one that offers a zero down payment. You can also compare quotes from various service providers to find the ideal deal for your budget. A solar panel calculator can help you determine just how much your solar power system will cost and how it will save you on your utility expense. This tool takes into consideration your rooftop size and regional weather conditions. It likewise consists of the sum of federal tax credit you're eligible for. In addition to solar loans, you might wish to think about a home equity credit line, HELOC. HELOC is a type of credit that works in a similar way to a credit card. When you use the line of credit, you can withdraw cash as needed. Nevertheless, the rates of interest might be higher than other kinds of solar loans. Lower your upfront cost with federal and regional solar incentives. Getting your house solar panel system is an excellent way to help in reducing your energy expenses. In addition, you can likewise take advantage of a federal tax credit and rebates to reduce the upfront cost of installing a solar energy system. These energy cost savings can vary from a few dollars to tens of thousands of dollars. Nevertheless, just before you purchase a solar power system, be sure to take a look at the benefits available in your location. No-cost solar installation, Summerlin, Nevada, 702-745-9198.